Welcome back. Well, a few days ago, I talked about my crazy food forest idea, and turns out I wasn't the first person to think of it. I had the idea of doing the basically two-dimensional alley cropping type systems with beds and working in between. But turns out there's a guy already doing it. So thank you to Andrew Kavanaugh, and maybe I think another one of you may have mentioned it to me afterwards, so I wanted to say thanks. I jumped in, I read a bunch of stuff, and if any of you guys who's not named Andrew can tell me what I'm doing up here, tell me. Leave me a comment. What am I doing? What agricultural system originating in Brazil is this? Leave me a comment. Catch you guys next time. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.